Do you want to know how you can change the time zone on your Melbet account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the time zone on your Melbet account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to melbet.in. Make sure that you have logged into your account and go ahead and hover around this option time zone over here. Go ahead and click on it and you can see some of the time zones provided by Melbet. If you want to change your time zone, just go ahead and click on any of the time zone and you can see the time zone has been changed immediately. So it's quite easy. All you need to do is go to Melbet, log into your account, and you can see time zone on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and select the time zone which you want to view and you will see all of the matches according to the time zone which you have selected. I hope this video about how you can change the time zone on your Melbet account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.